welcome to another session of Math Unlocked. Today we're going to be exploring differences of squares. Differences of squares have the form x squared minus a squared equals 20. That means that we have a perfect square on both sides of our equation, and they are separated by a subtraction. So let's look at an example. We could have x squared minus 9, because that is the same as x squared minus 3 squared. We might also have something like x squared minus 25, because that is the same as x squared minus 5 squared. Now that we have an idea of what this looks like, let's look at the general form, how this can be factored. So we have our difference of squared, x squared minus a squared. This can be factored in seconds. It's simply x plus a multiplied by x minus a. Let's look at an example. Let's take our previous example of x squared minus 9. The first thing we have to think about is 9 a perfect square? We've already seen that 9 equals to 3 squared, so it works. It's a perfect square. Now we can simply put it in this factored form. So we have x plus 3 and x minus 3. And we're done. That was easy. Let's look at one more case. What if we had a coefficient in front of x? Then what do we do? What if we have c squared x squared minus a squared? What happens then? In order for this to work, it's a similar rule. We have to have perfect squared for our coefficient here. Then let's look at what we'll get. It'll be factored in pretty much the same way. Instead, we'll have cx minus a, or plus a, multiplied by cx minus a. And there we go. It's factored. Let's look at an example. What if we have 25x minus 16? How do we factor that? We first recognize that 25 equals to 5 squared and 16 equals to 4 squared. And furthermore, they are separated by a negative sign. Therefore, we have our difference of squared. Let's now put this into our factored form. So we have 5x minus plus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 4. And there you have it. It's all factored. Was this easy? Drop a yes in the comments, and please feel free to ask any questions or other problems you want me to go through. Hit subscribe to follow for more videos. See you next time!